Have you ever stopped to think about the everyday objects sitting on your desk or in your pocket? We take them for granted, but some of these gadgets didn't just improve our lives, they completely rewired them. Today, we're counting down the unbelievable devices that forever changed how we live, work, and connect. From pocket-sized powerhouses to tools that gave us a God's-eye view of the world, get ready to see your tech in a whole new light. These aren't just bits of plastic and silicon. They're the architects of our modern reality. Let us start with the device that's probably within arm's reach right now, the smartphone. It's so much more than just a phone. Think about it. It's your high-definition camera for capturing life's biggest and smallest moments. It's your GPS, guiding you through unfamiliar cities without a second thought. It's your bank, allowing you to manage your finances with a few taps. It's your library, your movie theater, and in many ways, an extension of your own brain. Before the smartphone, connecting with someone meant calling them or seeing them in person. Now, connection is instantaneous, global, and multimedia. It has fundamentally redefined what it means to be social, to work, and to simply exist in the 21st century. It put the power of a supercomputer right into our pockets, and we've never looked back. Next up is a device that's become so common, it's almost invisible: the USB drive. Remember the days of floppy disks and CDs? Transporting files was a clunky, unreliable process. You hope your disk wouldn't get corrupted or your CD wouldn't get scratched. Then came the USB flash drive, a tiny, durable stick that could carry more data than a box of floppies. Suddenly, your documents, photos, and projects became truly portable. You could carry your digital life on a keychain. It made sharing information between computers effortless and personal. For students and professionals, it was a revolution. The USB drive didn't just store data. It liberated it, making our information as mobile as we are. It was the key that unlocked a new era of personal data portability. From the world of data to the world of creation, let's talk about the tripod. It might seem simple, just 3 legs and a mount, but its impact is monumental. Before affordable and sturdy tripods became widely available, creating stable video or sharp, long exposure photos was a challenge reserved for professionals with expensive gear. Your hands would shake, your shots would be blurry, and the final product would scream amateur. The tripod changed all that. It gave independent creators, YouTubers, and aspiring photographers the stability they needed to produce professional quality content. It allows for cinematic pans, steady time lapses, and crisp images in low light. It's the unsung hero behind millions of videos and photos, turning shaky hands into steady artistic vision and leveling the playing field for creators everywhere. Now let us rewind the clock a bit to an ancestor of the USB drive, the floppy disk. For anyone under 25, this might look like a plastic coaster with a weird metal bit. But for a whole generation, this 1.44 megabyte square was the lifeblood of the digital world. It held your school papers, your favorite simple games, and the software that brought computers to life. It was how programs were installed and how files were shared. Yes, its capacity was minuscule. By today's standards, you'd need over 700 of them to store a single gigabyte. But the floppy disk was the seed from which the entire concept of personal, portable digital storage grew. It taught us to save our work, to back up our data, and to think of information as something tangible we could hold in our hands. It was a true digital pioneer. From the ground to the sky, our next device gave humanity a perspective once reserved for birds and helicopters: the drone. Originally developed for military surveillance, consumer drones have exploded into a revolutionary tool for creatives, hobbyists, and professionals. Before drones, getting an aerial shot meant renting a helicopter, a crane, or just dreaming about it. It was expensive, complicated, and inaccessible to most. Drones changed the game completely. They gave filmmakers the ability to capture breathtaking, cinematic shots that sweep over landscapes and follow subjects with fluid grace. Real estate agents could showcase properties from a stunning new angle, and farmers could monitor their crops with ease. Drones democratized the sky, giving us all eyes to see the world from above. If you're enjoying this look back at game-changing tech, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We post new videos full of mind-blowing facts and stories every single week, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for your support. All right, let's get back to it. Our next device is all about simplification. Remember the tangled mess of cables behind your TV? Red, white, yellow, green, blue. It was a nightmare. Then HDMI arrived. The high-definition multimedia interface combined crystal clear video and high-fidelity audio into a single elegant cable. Suddenly, connecting your DVD player, game console, or computer to your TV became a simple plug-and-play process. No more guessing which color went where. HDMI cleaned up our entertainment centers and became the universal standard for transmitting high-quality signals. It was a small change in hardware that made a huge difference in user experience, ensuring that the brilliant picture on our screens was matched by equally brilliant simplicity. Now for a device that completely changed how we capture memories: the digital camera. For over a century, photography was tied to film. You'd take your shots, and then you'd wait. You'd send the roll to a lab and hope for the best, never knowing if you got the perfect picture until days later. The digital camera killed that process overnight. It gave us instant gratification. You could see your photo the second you took it. If you didn't like it, you could delete it and try again at no extra cost. This democratized photography on a massive scale. Everyone became a photographer because the risk and cost of failure were gone. It made sharing memories instant, paving the way for social media as we know it. It didn't just change photography. It changed how we document and share our lives. What about the space between a phone and a laptop? That's where our next device carved out its own powerful niche: the tablet. When it first appeared, many people asked, "What's it for?" It turned out to be for everything. It was bigger than a phone, making it perfect for watching movies, reading books, and browsing the web. But it was lighter and more intuitive than a laptop, making it a fantastic tool for casual work, creative drawing, and on-the-go presentations. The tablet's large touchscreen interface offered a new way to interact with technology, making it incredibly accessible for all ages, from toddlers learning their ABCs to seniors connecting with family. It proved to be the ultimate content consumption device and a surprisingly capable workhorse. Finally, let us talk about the device that gives each of us our own private soundtrack to life: headphones. From the bulky earmuffs of the 70s to the iconic white wires of the iPod era, and now to the tiny, truly wireless earbuds of today, headphones have been on an incredible journey. They allow us to immerse ourselves in music, podcasts, and audiobooks without disturbing others. They create a personal bubble on a noisy commute, help us focus at the gym, and connect us to calls while our hands are free. The evolution to wireless technology cut the final chord, offering unparalleled freedom of movement. Headphones don't just play sound. They curate our personal audio environment and have fundamentally changed how we experience the world around us. So there you have it. From the smartphone in your hand to the drones in the sky, these devices aren't just gadgets. They are extensions of ourselves that have fundamentally altered our behavior, our abilities, and our perception of the world. They didn't just change technology, they changed us. What device do you think had the biggest impact? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.